Hello everyone, in this simple video I'm going to show you how you can get all notification anytime someone you follow goes live on TikTok. So you can open the TikTok apps, and then if you don't want to miss watching the live of someone you follow on TikTok, maybe someone you like or something useful in their life, you can set the notification so you don't miss it. Go to your profile and then select the three lines in the top right corner, and then select setting and privacy. So here you can select notifications, scroll down until you find the live notification settings. Just click on it and make sure turn on the get live notification from accounts you follow, and select the account that you want to get the all notification. Just click all to get all live notification from this account. Alright, that's how you can get all notification someone you follow goes live on TikTok anytime. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.